Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In previous video, we have completed data types in Kotlin. In today's video, I will explain about type checks and cast for the data types. Before proceeding with the video, kindly subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. To check type in the Kotlin, we use is operator. Is and negated is operator both are valid in the Kotlin. Use the is operator or its negated form to perform a runtime check that identifies whether an object conforms to given type. You can see the example on the screen. I have written if value is string, then print value.length. If the variable value is of string type, then we will print the length of the value. We can see another example with negated is. If the value is not string, then print not a string, else print value.length. In Kotlin, normally you don't need to use explicit cast operators because the compiler tracks the is checks and explicitly casts for immutable values and inserts cast automatically whenever needed. For example, suppose we are having a function funGetValue and we are passing a value of type any. In the function, we are checking if the value is string, then we are printing the length of value. Here the value is automatically casted to the string. We are not performing any kind of explicit casting. Smart casts work for when expressions and while loops as well. We will learn about while loops and when expressions in coming videos. We need to note that smart casts work only when the compiler can guarantee that the variable won't change between the check and the usage. Let's discuss about unsafe cast operator. The unsafe cast in Kotlin is done by the infix operator as. This cast operator throws an exception if the cast isn't possible, so it's called unsafe. Note that null cannot be cast to string as this type is not nullable. If value is null, the code will throw an exception. To make code work for null values, use the nullable type on the right hand side of the cast as given on the screen. The next one is safe cast operator. It's also called nullable cast operator. To avoid exceptions, use the safe cast operator as, which returns null on failure. Despite the fact that the right hand side of as is a non-null type string, the result of the cast is nullable. This was all about type checks and casts in the Kotlin. I hope this video will help you to understand the concept.